How to add word clock to iPhone lock screen. Let's get started. Swipe down from the right corner of your screen. With that, you will land to the lock screen. Now long press on it. Now click on this option of customize given at the very bottom. Now click on this lock screen option. With that, you will get this option of add widget. Click on it. With that, different widget options will appear. Scroll down. Here towards the option of clock, click on it. With that, you will get different clock options such as world clock, city digital, and city analog. Go ahead and click on the option of world clock. With that, I have just set world clock to my iPhone lock screen. Under world clock, you're gonna find time period for different cities. If you want to customize city, just click on this world clock. Now click on any of the options that you want to change. With that, you're gonna get different options. Go ahead and select the option that you want to set in your world clock. With that, you will be good to go. Now you can click on this option of done. So this way you can easily add wall clock to your iPhone lock screen. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.